Okay, for those of you online, this is the start. I was going to start with the managerial aspect of the class. The managerial aspect of the class is how you're going to organize your group. As I just told them, this is about space awareness. And space awareness, we're going to have about 4 tasks in here, where I'm going to ask them questions after we're done with a very simple, brief task, and they're going to answer to me what is it that they learned. This way, I want to start making the connection between the theory and the practice, where you're learning something in the classroom, but now you are connecting it to the actual real class. So this is already the first example of a managerial aspect of the first task, okay? 19 years in William Paris. To me, that's so strange. It's not even fun. 19 years, never done. This is a first. Yeah. Okay, listen. We're going to look at this. 4 sides. We're going to be working on a square. See the square? Very important. Always give your children a very clear description of where they're going to be working. You're going to hear me talking a little bit louder because I'm still concerned about audio. Very, very concerned about that. So, you have to be acknowledge that part. We are a square. Look, the blue, the red, and the red. The bigger colors forming a square. This will be side number 1. This is side number 2. Side number 3. Side number 4. Following the yellow line on the floor. Alright? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right? I'm going to give you a number. When I say go, you're going to go to the side of that number. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Go. One, two, 3, and 4. Hold the leg, remember. Hold the leg. Now we have to move it this way. Right there. Just leave it right there. Okay. Anybody here have played before? Builders and bulldozers. No, builders and bulldozers. No? Yeah? Yes, that's the one. That's the one. All right. All this stuff, what I mean is about 45 minutes of the class today, mind you. We're not going to spend a lot of time here. Children can spend a lot of time working on this stuff. They love it. We are just going to get an idea. We're going to go through them. And then I'm going to ask you questions about what transpired in the task. Right? Because this task can be used for a few learnings, but I'm going to have the one specific one. This is what's going to happen. We're going to be giving you a role. This group, you are my bulldozers with this group. So you are a team, bulldozers. What that means is bulldozers, you're going to get to the playfield, to the area, the square, and when the teacher says go, you have to get very low, and with one hand, you're going to take a little cone and knock it down. You cannot stay by that cone, please. You have to move to another one, get very low, and with one hand, knock it down. Right? Those are my bulldozers. You're builders. You're builders. One team, my builders. Beginning of it. bulldozers. How many of those cones are down? Because if we're switching, then we're going to see the next bulldozers, what do they get? Yes? Yes? Yes. Get ready. Set. Go! Move around, get low. Move around, get low. Move around. Move around, get low. Watch where you're going. Watch where you're going. You have to move to a different one. Keep moving, keep moving. Get low, low, with one hand. No foot, just one hand, get low. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop! This purple goes up. Everybody to their sides. Okay. Everybody to their sides.
Like 5 seconds.
How many is down? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So we have 6. Your bulldozers, you got 6. Let's see if the next bulldozers beat 6. So we're switching. If you were a bulldozer, now you are a builder. Builders, now you are bulldozers. Everybody clear on that? Yes? Yes? Set, go. Get low, get low, get low, get low. Move around. Watch where you're going. Watch where you're going. Get low. Get low, get low. No foot, no foot. One hand, get low. Keep going, keep going. Get low, get low. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop! Now what goes down? I mean, that goes down. That was down. Go to your side.
Did I flip that one and I landed back?
That was down? Oh, okay. All right, how many? 6 again? Seriously? We have to do this again? We don't have to do it again, right?
We're down first, so you won.
We don't have to do it again. Okay. Si fuera con my children, oh, you have to go again. Otherwise, you cannot. You have to go again. If that was the result, if that was the outcome. So, this activity, I think that since I said it, I gave that away. Today is about space awareness, right? But my question to you now is, as simple of an activity as this one is, if I were the supervisor going in and see you teaching this activity, immediately, what is it that I can tell? Besides space awareness, but what about it? Is it that the teacher is teaching? So the question is, what is it that this activity, as simple as it looked, what is it all about? Tell me. It's under space awareness. So what about space awareness this activity covers? Levels, very good. This activity, space awareness, levels. What level? High and low? Low? Anybody else? We only have 3. Low. What determined that? Of course it can be high and low because it is. It's the nature of it. But this is my point now. What determines that it was all about space awareness, it's about levels, and it's about the low level. Right? Of course. Then I can say, I'm going to stop it here, but I could give you only 10 seconds. But in the end, you know that it doesn't matter. Because it's just a fluid type of activity. So it could be a minute, it could be 30, it could be 10, it doesn't matter. The children doesn't know that. See? But it gives that sense of competition. It was incredible. Maybe you're going to capture it if you get to see the video. At the beginning, everybody went like this. At the very beginning. Right? Until I start to say 10, 9, countdown, it's incredible. Everybody just sped up. Everybody sped up. There's a different feeling to it. And this is you. For you, this is simple. For the children, not so. Again, it's about them, it's not about us, right? As teachers. So, you see, we learned that, we read it, this is what it looks like. This is what you're going to plan for, and this is what you're going to modify. And we're going to get to modifications later on. Meaning that you can make this a little bit closer, or actually you can actually spread it even more, spread it everything more, you can give them the time restriction, and all of that. All of that can change. Okay? Questions? Questions?